Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a fingerprint sensor on Vivo Y35. And to do this we'll need to open up our settings. Here find the privacy, protection or security or something like biometrics. So it's in a security tab. Here we can actually see fingerprint, which confirms that this device does have it. Now let's just locate where it is. And it's right here where the lock power key is. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.